changing out this condensing unit. It's in a pretty weird spot, even though it's ventilated all the way around this shed. And there's a little exhaust in the top. These two, this one and this one, oppose each other, and the air gets in here and they rebreathe superheated air. It's kind of a bummer for them, but this was an old R22. We're going to switch it to 404, so we'll get this condensing unit changed out, and then we're going to switch the TXV over, and I'll get some footage of that for you guys. I'll show you guys how I change out the TXVs. Nothing special, pretty straightforward. So I got the Mr. 45 crank in here. We'll get all this gas out of this system, and then we'll get to ripping and tearing. It's time to get her out of there. Hey, but the good news is, check it out, y'all. Your job just got easier. Woohoo! I like that. Okay, here's a little heads up. I get a lot of nuisance calls from this head pressure or temperature thermistor. I'll get them and move them down the line a little bit. It usually ends up helping out a little bit. I'll get a lot of nuisance trips on those, so I move them down the line. But we'll go get this up in place here, then get the piping. All right, so I'm gonna sweat out this old TXV. My phone would quit ringing. Can't get any work done because the phone's ringing, but I put the sauce on there. Then I'm gonna get the heat gel for the other parts. Been using this one, thermal block 2, and I'm just gonna sweat it out one piece at a time and get it out of there. Exhaust fan on a hot day. She's goner. Got a freshy motor down there. We'll get this changed out. Okay, new motor's installed. It's all nice and quiet. You can see this pulley's all worn out here. Look at that. See that big groove in there? That pulley was shot. That's what you guys are checking for. You know, it comes off when it's new. It's, you know, it's like that. It's all nice like this. And then that's coming in on a groove like that. So you new guys, that's how you can see if your pulley's worn out. And then you got to replace it and get rid of it, or it's going to eat the belts up. Pluggo, buggo, every time. Nice stuff hammer coil tighten right here.